Sonar picked up banging sounds Tuesday during the search for the Titan submersible that went missing while touring the Titanic's wreckage, indicating continued hope of survivors, according to an internal U.S. government memo. With less than a day of oxygen that might be left on the vessel, that's based on the Coast Guard's official latest estimate. The sub is carrying 5 people: a British adventurer, a French diver, a Pakistani father and son, and the founder of the company that operates the tour. What follows are the banging sounds that the sonar allegedly picked up on Tuesday.